This is an eChair's instructional video. Today, we will be putting together the Hayworth Zody chair. Open your box and remove the backrest, back support, and seating. You'll need one bolt, a plastic washer, and the chair metal clips. For this chair, the only tool you will need is the size T30 Allen key. First, place your chair right side up. Place the backrest into the socket opening of the seat and make sure it's on there tight. Next, place the chair clip into place for the back support. Then, take the back support and slide it into the backrest. Now take your plastic washer and the second chair clip and place it on the bottom of the backrest. When you hear a click, you'll know it's on there secured. Now take your bolt and T30 Allen key and tightly secure the bottom of the backrest to the seat. Once completed, you would have successfully put together your Hayworth Zody chair. I hope this instructional video was very helpful.